here this afternoon to hand over to you the youth grant as per your request. Ladies and gentlemen, this day and time will not come back. And I want to say that the journey that you took is a correct one. I'm told that during COVID-19 pandemic, most of you were laid off. But you never sat back. According to the brief that I was given, I was told that you people got yourselves involved in farming and fishing. Not only that, your elders were there to support you. And now they have given 20 acres of land for you to work on. Can we all put our hands together and thank our landowners for agreeing to give that 20 acres of land for their own sons and daughters. The program itself is a three-way partnership between the landowners, the youth club, and the ministry. Apart from this National Youth Farm Initiative Program, we have another program which is the Capital Development Program, whereby you can apply for a grant to access the funding up to $5,000. That is just to start off your small-scale business, and then as you're gonna grow, you can always come back and ask for more assistance. But you need to start. You need to think what is right for you, for your community, and for your family. I'm not here to tell you, you go and do this business. I don't want to force things on you. It has to come from you, what you intend to do. Once you are ready, let us know. I've been also told that your youth club have been registered in 2017 and have been working with Ministry for Youth and Sports, but was re-registered this year in 2022. And after a few months, you must have discussed among yourself, and you required all this to work on. And today we are here with all those items that you have requested for. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Fijian youth who wish to start businesses can always access government grant, as I mentioned earlier on, to assist them in setting up their businesses. For us as a government, we have always given priority to our youths. And the reason is that 70% of our population is 40 years below. So investing in the future generation of our country is a smart investment by the Fijian government, as it is not only forward-looking but provides an opportunity for our youth to actively participate in the growth of our economy. Through such programs and initiatives, we are putting our faith in our youth. We are giving recognition to their skills and abilities, and we are saying to you that you are the ones who are our future. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have a program under my different portfolio, that's Ministry for Employment, called Pacific Labor Scheme, PLS, and seasonal work program. As of now, we have sent around 6,000 Fijians. And there is more demand for our Fijians to work in Australia and New Zealand. There is also talks with the Australian government. If, for example, someone from your village is selected to work in Australia, and if he has a family, the family can go and stay there for 4 years as well. But it is so unfortunate that one of the opposition members in the last session of Parliament said that by this program, villages are empty. They're not doing anything good for you. So I would like to urge, if you are interested, please let us know. I will organize my team to come over here, do an awareness program. And if you want to apply, you can apply under those two programs. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate the recipients who have met all the requirements for the grant, and I want to wish you all the very best. Once again, thank you very much for the warm welcome, and may God bless us all. Vinaka, and thank you.